Most miniature 3D printers on the market still produce rough surfaces and ghosting that ruined display pieces. Today, I'm going to be going over the best 3D printer for miniatures that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Creality SPARKX i7 combo. From first glance, this printer feels approachable for hobbyists and tabletop painters seeking quick AI-aided modeling, lively color capability, and beginner friendliness. Built with a compact, sturdy chassis, the SPARKX i7 combo ships fully assembled, reducing setup time and clutter for busy creators. AI turns portraits into three-dimensional models, letting you create personalized figurines without mastering complex software, and it speeds up concept to print. Multicolor printing supports 4 color channels, delivering smoother transitions, faster prints, and 50% less waste compared to traditional multicolor workflows. Smart AI detects spaghetti, filament tangles, air prints, and build plate issues in real time, sending instant alerts to prevent ruined plates. Offering a build volume of 260 by 260 by 255 millimeters, it handles larger minis. Night mode adds ultra-quiet operation, letting overnight prints run without disturbing a sleeping studio or adjacent rooms. During testing, layer adhesion remained uniform across color changes, and AI monitoring consistently flagged issues before they ruined prints. Unboxing to first print takes mere minutes since the unit ships pre-assembled with plug-and-play connectivity and guided prompts. AI camera tracks each layer for precision, and the 4 color channels enable gentle gradients and detailed miniatures with crisp edges. Compared to the ELEGOO Mars 3 Pro, this SPARKX i7 combo delivers built-in AI features, faster color printing, and simpler setup. The pros include pre-assembled out-of-the-box, AI portrait to 3-dimensional conversion, and ultra-quiet night mode. The cons include higher price relative to basic budget printers, and a modest learning curve for fully leveraging AI features. At number 4, we have the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4. From the outside, the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 features a premium brushed aluminum shell that feels exceptionally durable in everyday handling. Build space measures roughly 6.04 inches by 3.42 inches by 6.49 inches. On-screen fidelity comes from the 7-inch 10,000 resolution panel, delivering extraordinary micro detail that your fantasy miniatures deserve. The 7-inch 10,000 resolution screen delivers crisp micro detail, consistently boosting overall fidelity in miniature work. A time-tested Li-Turbo Matrix light source offers stable balanced illumination, reducing layer lines and rasterization to produce ultra-smooth surfaces. The build volume is generous and facilitates tackling daily tasks and demanding projects with room for multiple minis. The laser-engraved print platform 2.0 improves adhesion, mitigating lifting and warping while keeping removal simple and smooth. The 4-point leveling method makes setup approachable for beginners, and the system resumes printing after power losses to save material. The Photon Mono 4 does not support any ANYCUBIC APP service, nudging users toward direct USB or alternative workflow options. The price sits around $209.99 as listed, presenting solid value against Precia resin printers. Real-world tests reveal smooth surfaces and consistent layer quality, with reported speeds approaching 70 mm per hour under steady conditions. Compared to the Photon Mono X, the Photon Mono 4 trades build volume for a friendlier footprint and 70 mm per hour speed. The pros include excellent build quality, power resume printing, and laser-engraved platform improves adhesion. The cons include limited app support and higher price. At number 3, we have the ELEGOO Mars 5. This resin printer targets hobbyists and miniature painters seeking an approachable entry point with dependable results and a supportive ecosystem. The chassis feels sturdy with a compact desk-friendly footprint, allowing comfortable placement alongside other tools without crowding your workspace. The enclosure and resin tray latch operate smoothly, contributing to a tidy setup with predictable alignment and reduced risk of resin splatter. Automatic leveling delivers a consistent first layer by sensing build plate position and performing a one-touch calibration, saving hours of manual tweaking. The intelligent mechanical sensor guards the LCD against damage from foreign objects and trips alarms when resin levels are off or leveling fails. One-click self-check examines each major subsystem before printing, helping novices avoid common failures and preserving resin and time. Overheat protection halts operation if temperatures rise near the LED array, with audible alerts and an active cooling system to safeguard components. The 6.6-inch monochrome screen delivers 4098 by 2560 resolution for crisp miniature layers. In practical tests, the Mars 5 delivered consistent layer adhesion and minimal curing artifacts across multiple miniature models. The automatic leveling contributed to fewer failed prints, reducing wasted resin and improving throughput during long weekend print sessions. The screen resolution supported fine surface finish and crisp text in miniature scales, giving your finished figures a professional look. When compared to the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono X, the Mars 5 offers easier auto-leveling and safety sensors, though built volume remains modest. The pros include reliable auto-leveling that reduces setup time, a high-resolution screen for precise details, and a smart mechanical sensor. The cons include higher price for a beginner-friendly resin printer and a moderate overall build volume that may discourage power users. In the end, the ELEGOO Mars 5 positions itself as a value-laden option for hobbyists who prioritize safety, automation, and dependable results. Additional accessories or future firmware updates could extend capabilities, keeping this machine relevant for ongoing miniature projects. At number 2, we have the Creality K1C. From unboxing to setup, this unit feels purpose-built for miniature painters and tabletop hobbyists seeking speed and reliability. Its target audience includes hobbyists who crave rapid prototyping without sacrificing print quality for miniatures or small batch projects. The layout favors a compact footprint and a refined look, with a robust aluminum framework that communicates durability under regular use. The chassis uses a sturdy aluminum frame with a compact 8x8x9-inch footprint overall. The finish feels durable and the assembly is clean, with precise seams that reduce flex during long printing sessions. Auto-calibration and auto-Z offset simplify startup, letting you initiate prints with minimal manual tuning and tiny adjustments. The speed and acceleration are standout, delivering 600 mm per second print speed and 20,000 mm per second squared acceleration. The clog-free direct extruder supports carbon fiber filament and grips the material tightly with a bolster spring and a ball plunger. The Houghton uses a titanium alloy heat break that blocks heat creep, enabling higher temperature printing and cleaner material transitions. Smart AI camera provides real-time monitoring, recognizes spaghetti failures, detects debris, and enables time-lapse filming for easy review. Upgraded cooling structure features a Houghton fan, a part cooling fan, and an auxiliary side fan to improve layer texture. In real-world tests, the printer maintains stable extrusions at speed with minimal stringing and strong bridge performance. In a direct comparison with the Prusa MK3S Plus, the Creality K1C wins on auto-calibration and monitoring. The pros include blistering speed, auto-calibration, and carbon fiber compatibility. The cons include higher price and possible noise at high speed. At number 1, we have the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Max. From the first glance, the Photon Mono M7 Max communicates an expansive build volume suited for full-scale minis and elaborate terrain. The chassis uses a premium brushed aluminum shell, delivering a sturdy, premium feel that blends durability with a clean, professional aesthetic. Despite its generous interior, the external dimensions fit well on a typical desktop, and the flip-open cover design enhances access. The official footprint translates to a truly sizable print area, enabling ambitious miniatures and diorama pieces that resist impossible splits. An upgraded light system uses Cobb Li Turbo 3.0 with Fresnel lens, calibrated to maintain uniform illumination across the build area. The light angle accuracy is within a few degrees and uniformity exceeds 90%, reducing layer lines and aliasing for crisper details. Prints progress quickly thanks to Intelligent Release 2.0, pushing throughput without sacrificing calibration or precision on complex models. A dynamic temperature-controlled resin vat maintains the optimal printing temperature, and an autofill +1 key recycling system minimizes waste. After printing, the model can suspend slightly to let resin flow back into the vat, aided by a larger 1,300 milliliter reservoir. A dynamic heating system and thermal management maintain consistent viscosity and curing conditions, contributing to dependable outcomes in every print job. Compared with the Photon Mono X, the M7 Max provides a larger build volume but demands a higher price with resin handling. The pros include huge build volume, premium Li Turbo lighting, and effective resin management, delivering a noticeably smoother workflow and enabling broader miniature projects. The cons include a relatively steep price for a resin printer and a bulky footprint that occupies desk space. For hobbyists pursuing large resin prints, the M7 Max remains compelling thanks to a flip cover tilting at 45 degrees.